The prepared meal industry is booming, valued at $500 billion. But old methods face major pain points: wasted food and slow innovation. Now, AI promises to slash operational costs by over 20%. Traditional product development is slow, taking 6 to 9 months. One regional hit can flop elsewhere due to subtle taste differences. AI builds precise taste maps using billions of data points. It analyzes delivery orders, social trends, and cultural habits. It can identify 87 microtaste regions across China alone. It finds unexpected insights, like evolving migrant community tastes. AI even scans food photos to gauge seasoning popularity. Result: regional success rates jump from 45% to over 85%. AI-developed products can launch in 11 weeks, not 8 months. Traditional inventory wastes 12–18% of all ingredients. The result is either empty shelves or costly overstock. AI forecasting engines analyze everything: sales, weather, even local events. It predicted a hurricane and a 300% surge in canned food demand. Systems like Nestlé's connect 23,000 stores and weather forecasts in real time. The AI proactively rerouted stock to where it was needed most. It boosted preparedness with only an 8% stock increase, not 30%. AI can cut ingredient waste from 18% down to just 6%. Traditional R&D relies on a chef's intuition and years of AI maps the complex relationships between 10,000 flavor molecules. It balances cost, nutrition, and taste in millions of combinations. Virtual taste tests can predict consumer scores, cutting 80% of physical tests. AI scanned 47 million menus to spot the trend. From 47 million data points, it generated 17 candidate recipes in hours. The winning product became a top seller, developed in just 14 weeks. The new product success rate more than doubles with AI. From R&D to sales, AI improves efficiency at every single stage. Inventory turnover speeds up by over 60%. The 20% savings come from smarter buying, making, and storing. Predictive maintenance stops breakdowns before they happen. One company's profit margin nearly doubled after adopting AI. Their investment paid back in 14 months with a 350% ROI. Giants like Nestlé are rebranding themselves as data companies. Their AI spotted the plant-based soup trend 9 months early. Their digital supply chain cut pandemic disruption by 60%. AI now crafts meals tailored to your personal health goals. Unilever's AI calculates the carbon footprint of every recipe. It finds ways to turn 120,000 tons of waste into new products. One AI-designed curry cut cost and carbon while improving taste. The first hurdle: isolated data trapped in incompatible old systems. There's a huge shortage of talent that understands both food and code. Chefs may distrust the black box of algorithmic recipes. The initial investment can be millions, a barrier for small firms. Will people eat food created by an algorithm, not a chef? The future: hyper-personalized meals printed for your body's needs. AI won't just feed you, it will act as a dietary health coach. Complete transparency. Blockchain tracks food from farm to fork. Virtual reality will let us test flavors and experiences digitally. AI and synthetic biology will design entirely new sustainable foods. Companies face a choice: embrace AI or fall behind in efficiency. The kitchen of the future is powered by data and intelligence. This is more than just saving money. It's redefining food itself. The next 5 years will see fully autonomous AI-driven kitchens. Every meal will have a powerful algorithm as its invisible chef. Food will become more personal, sustainable, and transparent. The age-old art of cooking meets the precision of modern code. From the ancient grain to the algorithm, the journey continues. This is the toolkit for the culinary revolution. The race is on, led by global giants and nimble startups. AI lowers the barrier for new innovators to enter the market. The competitive landscape is shifting from chef teams to data teams. A $1 trillion market will soon be dominated by AI-powered companies. AI bridges the natural world and human desire perfectly. Even the last mile of delivery is optimized by intelligent systems. The future chef is augmented, not replaced, by AI. Our entire food environment will be reshaped by this intelligence. AI can help tackle global hunger and malnutrition efficiently. This is not just an industrial shift. It's a dietary evolution. The new recipe for success includes a key ingredient: data. The revolution is already cooking. The question is, are you ready? Subscribe for more stories of technology reshaping our world. AI doesn't just predict, it continuously optimizes in real time. Static recipes become living, evolving digital entities. AI simplifies complexity, creating leaner, smarter systems. Companies can test decisions in a risk-free digital world first. Early AI adopters are gaining significant competitive advantage. AI becomes the central nervous system of the entire food industry. Warehouses transform from chaotic storage to precision hubs. AI brings hyper-convenience and personalization to the consumer. The AI loop now starts in the field, not the factory. The environmental impact of this efficiency is profound. Innovation itself becomes a systematic, data-driven process. AI expertise becomes accessible to everyone, not just corporations. AI acts as a global culinary fusion catalyst, respecting traditions. This is the new symbiosis: culinary arts and computer science.